Boo! Yum yum! Yum yum! Say morning, guys! Morning. Good boy. Sadie's got her Christmas dress on. You look so cute. Ready for the Christmas lights later? Yeah. It's Saturday. We're going to film a weekend vlog this week because we're going to see the Christmas switch on the lights in town. So I thought that'd be quite good to film and remember. Anyway, we're out quite early because Darren's doing work around the house. He's like putting plasterboard and stuff up, so we need to just get out of his way. So we've popped to the shops just to pick up a parcel from Matalan. But it's raining, it's a horrible day, but we'll just get out for a bit, and then we've got swimming later on this morning, and then we're going to town later just to watch the Christmas lights and stuff. Saying hello to the mannequins.
No, it's Daddy.
It's Daddy, it don't look like Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Who is it?
It's hard to reach.
Is it Daddy?
No.
That one's not Daddy.
It's your friend.
It's your friend.
Help me! Oh.
Help me, is he getting you? Was he getting you?
Yes, this is where I'm going to go. And I want food.
No. He's so good. He's so good. Sonny's standing in your way. What is it? We are now off swimming for this little guy. Sadie's really tired, so this could be interesting. You excited for swimming? All ready for swimming? Excited?
Yes. It's hot now.
It's hot now, is it?
Wait.
So we've been swimming, we've had lunch, and now we are just popping into town for a couple of hours because Santa might be there.
Yes, there's Santa in there.
There's lots of Christmassy things going on, so we're going to go and check it all out.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
He was nice, wasn't he?
This one is Tata's play.
And we got a present.
Yeah.
Open it later.
Yes.
We just quickly came back to get Darren and give Sadie our dinner and get her in her pyjamas. But we are off to watch the Christmas lights switch on now, and they have fireworks and stuff. But we've had a really good day today, and lots of bits, haven't you? Oh, hey Sadie.
We've got the fireworks at 4:30. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
shop. Me and Sunny are making a banana loaf cake, aren't we? Yeah? Does it taste nice?
Yeah.
All ready to go in the oven. Just got to put it in the tin. Does it taste good? Done. So it's Sunday and we haven't done much today. We watched Batman this morning, then me and Sunny have been baking their cake, Sadie's been sleeping, Darren's upstairs again doing work. That's all we've really done today. I don't know what our plans are today, we're just sort of going with the flow, and it might just be a chilled one at home, not too sure yet. Got a sweetie from the shop.
Yeah.
We're just getting out of the house for a bit for some fresh air, so we're just going to pop to the park. You excited for the park?
Yeah.
We were going to go to soft play, but that costs money, so we're just going to go to the park for a bit. We've had our lunch. Yeah. You too! Bit cold, isn't it, Sadie? Yeah, you got a little red nose. You got a little red nose. Sunny's wet himself, so we're going to have to leave the park soon. We haven't been here very long. I do normally bring spare clothes out, but we were just nipping to the park, so I didn't. Outfit change. Now we're off to the shops to get something for dinner, aren't we?
I'm gonna eat cups.
You got hiccups? Oh yeah.
I'm gonna eat cups.
Just pop into the shop to get some dinner. Don't know what. I have no idea. Hopefully the shop will give me some inspiration. Sunny. There he is. We went to the garden centre because it's right next to the shop we're going to, but they were following us around like shoplifters. So we decided to leave, but it was fun. He liked looking at all the lights and the Santas and the trees. Is it heavy? Is it heavy? You two are so cute. Is Sunny giving you cuddles?
No.
Batman eating his dinner. Hi Batman.
Hi.
Hi.
Filthy criminal.
Sadie with her daddy.
Joker.
So I'm in bed now. I haven't filmed for a couple of hours, but both kids are asleep finally. Sunny's been a nightmare at the minute to go to bed. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will be filming every weekend up to Christmas now, just for, because I love looking back on the Christmas memories, and we obviously have lots planned. Next weekend we're going ice skating, so that should be fun. So I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!